Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing great and learning this language in a great way. So guys, it's raining here in the city today and while I enjoy the raindrops on my window, I really am missing my village very deeply because there rain was not just a weather, it was a feeling. When it start raining, mostly childrens come, they just gather at one place and we start playing different games. I do start playing especially five stone game with childrens, and I enjoy a lot. And uh, and it's really different life from the city. I'm missing deeply my village, and I'm missing uh, every moment. Like when especially it start raining, I just like to eat something, especially pakoras. It's my favorite. So I I start means I do make pakoras always. Mostly it's rain, then at that time only, and I enjoy with my family, and it was really nice moment. And I'm feeling like I should go back home right now, and I enjoy the same moment. And I now like I'm missing so much, so I'm feeling like I should go back home just right now and enjoy this moment. And like I'm hearing the children sound, like they just like start shouting like it's raining, and they start playing different games on the some place where in the street they just gather at one place looking at the rain, and we all enjoy. And that was a really nice moment, and that was very simple but very precious moment for me. And I'm missing those days very much, very deeply. And like when it start raining in a farm, at that time, while suppose we work in a farm, and when it start raining, and what we do, when it start raining, while doing weeding and while planting the crops, at that time we don't go back home if it's there no lightning and not no any storm. At that time we work in farm while raining also. So at that time we start singing, and in Chhattisgarh there is, especially in the Darya, so that's very famous. So I start saying to other workers, like, let's start singing song, it's raining and let's enjoy like that. While walking we do that. And like while harvesting, when it start raining, at that time we had to go back home because harvesting is not possible in this rainy season. And when it's rain, and I'm missing, like I can see now, like I can imagine that, uh, all farmers are working in the farm and it's raining right now. They are plowing their field, and some people are working and going back home. And I'm missing so much. It's really nice moment for me, and a very special moment for me. And I'm missing too much. And here what I'm doing, I'm simply sitting, and few minutes back, there was no current. So what I was doing, I was just simply sitting and watching some videos and thinking about my mobile battery too. Because I was thinking, when current will not come, then what will I do? And today Bhabi is not here in the room. Uh, she went outside. That's why I'm alone too. And I'm missing my village so much. That very special moment with my family, with my friends, with small kids, and they came my home for taking tuition classes. And my sister is taking tuition classes. So like when sometimes when the rain start, then all the kids, they start saying to my sister, and like, let's Didi, let's sing a song and let's do something. And one day what happened, one one kid, baby girl, she danced very nicely, and she said like, I just want to dance right now because it's raining. Then my sister played a song, and it was Chhattisgarhi song. So, and she danced very nicely. So I'm missing all the memories coming in my mind. I'm imagining all those things, and I hope I I I wish I should be there right now. And this year I will definitely go back my home in that season, rainy season, and I hope I can go. I'm missing too much. And here sitting, I'm not enjoying much because here I can't go outside. I can't see the weather. And in village, like when it starts raining, and I can smell the like soil. It's too much nice, that smell of soil, and the wind blowing fast. I can see that, and I can imagine that. I can feel that moment. Oh my god, it's really nice moment. But it's okay. This year I will go, and I will make a vlog while raining. I will go farm. At that time also I will make a vlog. And I just want to capture all the moment. I just wanted to share these things, what I'm thinking right now, and I'm missing my village a lot. Thank you guys for listening. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.